We'll start here in the storage areas. This is where deliveries are stored: fresh produce, dairy, frozen foods, and dry goods.
This is the dairy and produce walk-in cooler. Feel free to look around and explore while I tell you about the space. A commercial food service walk-in cooler is a large temperature-controlled unit used to safely store perishable food items in bulk. You have entered the walk-in freezer. Feel free to look around and explore while you listen to the audio. A commercial walk-in freezer is a large insulated storage unit designed to keep food frozen at 0 degrees Fahrenheit or below.
There was a large appreciation for the fact that the virtual reality experience closed the gaps between the theory of learning and applied practice. As an example, when just talking to students about commercial food service equipment, it's sometimes hard to kind of really grasp and understand what you're talking about. However, when you immerse students into that actual virtual reality environment and they can start to see those actual concepts from the textbook and my lectures come to life, and they're looking right at the equipment in real time or examining a 3D model, it all starts to come full circle. The applied learning that takes place in the virtual reality environment is incredible.